Here I'm going to simplify this radical. So first I like to look inside the parentheses, and in this one I'm going to look underneath that radical, and I'm going to just separate this just so I can visualize it better into two separate factors, because this is saying 3 times x to the 7th. So I'm going to put the 3 under its own radical symbol, and I'm going to put x to the 7th under its own radical symbol. And all of that is raised to the 4th power. Now I'm going to look at each of those factors and convert it into exponential form. But first I need to remember that if there isn't a number outside of the radical, we assume it's a 2. There's not an exponent here with the 3, I assume it's a 1. So I'm just going to change this, put a little 2 out here, so I'm real clear what I'm doing. So when I change this to exponential form, the 3, the big number, stays the same, and then the inside number divided by the outside number. So the big number stays the same, the inside number divided by the outside number. All that is to the 4th power. So now I'm going to simplify this. Now that I'm in exponential form, I'm going to use the power rule. So remember that if you have this 4th power here, I'm going to be taking this to the 4th power and this to the 4th power. And when you have an exponent raised to a power, you multiply those exponents. So this is 3 to the 1/2 times 4. And this is x to the 7/2 times 4. Now, when I'm multiplying fractions, just do that over here. 1/2 times 4 is the same as 1/2 times 4 over 1, which is 4 over 2, which is 2. So this is 3 to the 2nd power, and the same for the 7/2 times the 4. So I have 7/2 times 4, or 4 over 1, and then you just multiply across. 28 over 2, which is 14. So this is x to the 14th power. And then if I want to simplify that some more, 3 to the 2nd power is 9. So this is 9 times x to the 14th power.